Welcome to Nasco Educate. In this video tutorial, we're going to cover how to quickly get up and running with the platform and your courses that are available to you via Nasco Educate. To begin, you'll log in with your teacher credentials and you'll be brought to the dashboard. Dashboard is a great way to get a bird's eye view of everything available to you in the platform. Here you'll see different announcements related to your user role and the courses that you have access to. Here on the left-hand side, you'll see all the different types of courses you can access. We have available courses, review courses, and PD and resources. So be sure to check all of those out. Here you'll see any tickets that you've created within the platform, as well as recent activities, assignment deadlines, and so much more as it relates to the platform. So let's get started by creating a class using one of our courses available to us. So to do that, go ahead and click the Create Class. Here you'll complete the required fields to create your class. Then you'll select a course from the drop-down that you want to populate the class with. Finally, click the Create Class and Manage Course button. After you've created your class, you'll be brought to the Manage Course tab. This tab allows us to control all of the content that will be available to the members of our class. The default is that everything will be shown unless it's a teacher material, in which case that will only be available to teachers. Now let's add some members to our class. Click on the Members tab. Here you'll see all of the members that are located in your class and have access to the class materials. In some of our other tutorials, we talk about the different methods you can use to add students and other members to your class. For the purpose of this quick start guide, we'll use the Import Students method because it's the fastest way to get students added and quickly up and running with your class. So go ahead and click on the Import Students link. Here you'll see a list of instructions, but basically all you need to do is download the CSV template and open it with a spreadsheet program of your choice, such as Microsoft Excel. Once you've opened the template, you're simply going to complete the first 3 columns, as these are required. So the first name, the last name, and the password of your students' accounts. The email column is optional, as emails are not required for this method of student addition. So once you've got the first name, last name, and password set, you're going to save it to your desktop or somewhere else on your device where you can easily find it. So you're going to save as, and you're going to maintain that format, which is CSV, delimited. And you're going to save that to your device. Back in Educate, you're going to click on the Browse Your File Here button. From there, select your list and click Open. Once the list has been loaded into the Upload field, you're going to click Upload Users. As you can see, our students have been added, and we can share their username, which is located here, and the password that we selected and typed in for them when we imported them into the system. So that's how you can get your students quick access to the class. Now let's take a look at how to manage content. So go ahead and click on that Manage Course tab. As you can see here, there are a lot of different materials located in this particular course. So what we're going to do is we can check or uncheck certain units and materials for our students to help them focus on what they need to be doing, or drip that content to them as they require it throughout the semester. So to do that, you would simply check or uncheck materials. So if something is unchecked, that means that the students are not going to be able to see that. So if I don't want them to see this unit, for example, I would just uncheck that. Once I've made the changes in my outline, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. As you can see, my changes have been saved, so the students in my class are only going to be able to see the units that I've made available to them. As you can see, that little eye shows that that is hidden, and so now my students are ready to get up and running with my class in Educate. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tutorial guide. Please remember that we have a library of other tutorials to help you get started and dig deeper into the functionality that Nasco Educate has to offer.